And today's work day is getting the wheel bearing fixed on this golf cart, Yamaha golf cart. Somebody from the company just came out, took the wheel bearing off, the knuckle, or the knuckle that the wheel mount to. Took the steering barrel, took the wheel bearing off, and finna go get that pressed in and put on and everything. We probably didn't have this golf cart. My cousin probably had this golf cart probably about maybe a year now. Just about a year now. And like I said, this thing get drove 5 days a week. I don't run over curves and stuff like that, but I do hit certain curves and stuff like that. Got a sidewalk that I could drive up on and move through and everything. And just, turning and all that, the wheel bearing went bad. It wasn't bad, but you hear the clunking and everything. And if it don't get fixed, it'll shatter the hub. It'll shatter the hub and everything. I actually had one to completely fall off, broke the mounting plate for the studs on here. It broke it. It had the last one did that. So we caught it before it damaged and finna go get that fixed now and everything.